Chewing gum isn't a modern invention. Ancient civilizations gnawed on natural resins for thousands of years. The ancient Greeks chewed mastic tree resin, primarily to clean their teeth and freshen breath. Meanwhile, Mayans and Aztecs tapped the sapodilla tree for chicle, a natural latex they used for chewing and practical purposes. North American indigenous peoples introduced early European settlers to chewing spruce tree resin. This led to the first commercial chewing gum in 1848, made from spruce resin. But it tasted terrible. The breakthrough came with Thomas Adams, who experimented with chicle imported from Mexico. In 1871, Adams patented the first flavored chewing gum, pioneering a global industry. But bubble gum as we know it only emerged in 1928, accidentally created by Walter Dimer. His pink creation was less sticky and more elastic, making it perfect for blowing bubbles. From tree sap to a multi-billion-dollar industry, gum's journey is truly fascinating.